Eswatini King to reciprocate Asantehene's visit? Let's discover the rich history between the Asantehene and the Eswatini King. Soon, the King of Eswatini, His Majesty Mswati III, will reciprocate the visit of His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, the Asantehene in Ghana. This was communicated by the Prime Minister of Eswatini, His Excellency Russell Mimiso Dlamini, during a durbar at the Manshia Palace to commemorate the 100th anniversary of the return of Otumfuo Osei Prempeh I, the 13th Asantehene from exile in Seychelles. Touching on Asantehene's visit to Eswatini in 2015, he said King Mswati III still holds fond memories of the Asantehene. During the visit, the two monarchs resolved to strengthen the relationship between their two kingdoms and countries. They then agreed to reciprocate visits. However, Ghana has up to date not received King Mswati III. It is His Majesty's wish to reciprocate the visit soon. The monarchs also pledged to undertake cultural exchanges between the two kingdoms and countries by embracing cultural diversity and preserving cultural heritage. Recently, a delegation from Eswatini was in Ghana for a week for the purpose of merging local administration and modern local government, as well as the establishment of the traditional houses of chiefs. The government of Ghana provided technical assistance and warmly welcomed the delegation. Speaking on behalf of the Asantehene at the event, Nana Otuo Siribu II, Gwabenhene, announced the kingdom's preparedness to welcome His Majesty Mswati III in its abode. We are looking forward to the king's visit. Fast forward, King Mswati III of Eswatini is on a 5-day visit to Ghana from June 24th to 28th, 2025. He begins in Accra with a meeting with President John Dramani Mahama before heading to Kumasi. His itinerary includes addressing the National House of Chiefs, visiting the Manshia Palace, attending a Durbar of Chiefs in Kumasi, touring the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, and joining the Asantehene at a university congregation. The visit celebrates cultural ties and royal diplomacy between Eswatini and the Asante Kingdom. The Asantehene of Ghana established this bond between the two nations. The visit would make Ghana and Eswatini strengthen parliamentary relations. The Parliament of Ghana welcomed a high-level delegation from the Kingdom of Eswatini on June 24, 2025, led by the Speaker of its House of Assembly, Honorable Jabulani Mabuza, as part of efforts to deepen inter-parliamentary collaboration and knowledge-sharing between the two nations. The delegation, which is in Ghana on a benchmarking visit, was received by the Speaker of Ghana's Parliament, Right Honorable Alban Sumana Kingsford Bagbin. He highlighted the shared commitment of both countries to advancing democracy, good governance, and accountability. Though our nations differ in size and constitutional evolution, our parliaments bear the same responsibility: to serve the people, ensure transparency, and safeguard national interests. The Eswatini delegation is expected to study the operations and best practices of Ghana's Parliamentary Service Board, with a focus on institutional strengthening and legislative efficiency. The visit is also expected to pave the way for enhanced cooperation in capacity building, legislative reforms, and joint advocacy on continental and global platforms. Both sides reaffirmed their dedication to sustaining democratic governance and amplifying Africa's voice in international affairs. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.